Although it may seem strange, the color mixer panel also plays an important role in black and white photography. If the image is black and white, the name of the panel changes from color mixer to black and white, but the 8 sample colors still allow you to control the luminance of the original hues. In this way, the black and white panel plays the role that colored filters played in analog photography. Let's show what this is all about with a simple example. In this color image, the berry stands out clearly from the leaf, because red and green are 2 almost complementary colors. In other words, the image has high color contrast. However, since the luminance component is similar for both, when converted to black and white, both turn into a medium gray. The image is now less readable, due to its low tonal contrast. The purpose of color filters was to convert the color contrast of the original scene into tonal contrast, according to the rule that the filter lightens its color and darkens the complementary color. For example, the red filter lightens reds and darkens blues. The B&W panel allows you to achieve the same result, but with greater ease and flexibility. In this case, in fact, you are not bound to also act on the complementary color. Thanks to the B&W panel, it is possible, for example, to darken only the green of the leaves, recovering that tonal contrast missing with simple black and white conversion. In landscape photography, darkening blue typically makes the sky more dramatic and interesting. Lightning green, on the other hand, may be helpful when there is vegetation. However, the most important case is probably that related to the orange filter in portraiture. Lightening orange is equivalent to lightening the skin tone, which makes the subject's face brighter and helps to hide small imperfections. This is a widely used trick in beauty photography. If you are not sure what hue to work on, you can always use the Direct Adjustment tool by clicking on the icon in the upper left corner of the B&W panel, then clicking on the subject to be adjusted and while holding down, tracing the mouse up or down. One or more sliders within the panel will move, indicating the hues to work on. In black and white mode, an auto button appears in the panel, which should theoretically optimize contrast. For the most part, however, it merely offers slight variations on the same formula, ultimately proving to be of little use.